Hi, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a GIF on a Photopea website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case, I'm actually using Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So of course when you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, which is going to be your home or your main screen. And of course from here you can start creating a new project, open or upload something from your computer, or you can just choose one of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working or editing on it. For me, I'm just going to click at a new project right here, and I'm going to choose one of those templates. As you can see, there is a lot, and let me just choose a simple one here, and you will need to wait until it loads. So once it's loaded, you will find your templates here and the components, all the layers of the templates right here at the right. And of course from here you can select anything you want. Maybe you can move it, you can edit it, you can do whatever you want with it. So of course if you make those steps and you wish to go back, simply you can just hit Control Z once, or you can hit it multiple times to go to the original template that you choose. And of course, let's just go back to the idea of this video, which is how to make a GIF using a Photopea or the Photopea website. So simply, when you make your changes, do whatever you want, of course, make sure just to go here to this file option, and then you will need to scroll down a bit until you find this export as. So normally you would like to export it as PNG or GPG, of course a picture, but in this case we would like to export it as a GIF here. So just click on that, and as you can see, you would like to name it, the format, the width, and select the width and the height. You would like to select the units is pixels, percent, centimeters, milliliters, inch, and make sure to select the quality as well. So then you would like just to click save, and it will be saved to your PC. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.